Y'all want to know how to test the E85? This is how you do it. You get a little tube, get a little kit. Then there's a watermark, says H2O on here. You fill it up to that. Yeah, and so now I'm gonna pour a little bit of E85 in the lid of this and then suck it up in the dropper.
You always want to
fill it up to the fuel, shake it up.
Get rid of what's in the handle before you test.
Why? It's the same stuff.
Because it sits in there. You get
just a little squirt, tiny squirt, big squirt. Alright. Sucking it up with the dropper. I'm gonna hand you this so you don't get it all mixed up. Kind of milky. It'll clear out though. So now we're gonna put the lid on, we're gonna shake it up and wait for the water and the ethanol to separate, and then it'll tell us exactly what our percentage is. Oh, it's Billy! Hey! Hey, Billy! All right, so you need to put it on a level surface, and you see right there, it's right at E80. And once the bubbles stop coming up to the top, you're pretty much good to go at that point. All right, so I threw this video together real quick, but one thing you need to know, if after you shake it up and it separates, it's still really cloudy, it's probably not a good idea to use it. I don't know exactly what that means, but a buddy of mine actually used it on his car. He had a twin turbo car, and he ended up blowing his motor, and he's pretty sure that it's because he was using some bad, milky E85. So please listen to me on that. If you're an all-motor car, you'll probably be okay. I've ran it before. I didn't run into any issues, but I just wanted to make sure that you guys don't have any issues with your cars. You know, don't want anybody blowing up. So one last side note, if it doesn't test exactly E85, don't worry about it. Really, you're good to down until about E70, unless you're forced induction. So, you know, if it's an all motor car, it tests E70, fill it up, it'll be fine. Don't worry about it.